Send an event invite using Calendar on a Mac. First, create a new event. Add an invitee. Press send. And you will see there's an icon here with a question mark. That means the person hasn't answered yet. You can add multiple ones. There's the message. Let's have a look. It's a little bit in Dutch, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You can agree. You can say, no, not for me, and a maybe. If you do agree, you get the option to send an extra message, which they will receive. And if you do go to the agenda again, you will see there's now a check mark, which means you're in. Also on the email, you can add it to your own agenda, doing this or using this. That was it.